Anybody remember the days when we had ashtrays in cars? What's up? If you're new to my channel, it's called Gears of Snore, and I make that content that's guaranteed to put your ass to sleep. And today I was in a little bit of a funk the past couple of videos. I couldn't figure out where the hell I wanted to go. So today it's time to return to the cheeseburger, and we're going to a place I haven't been to in like 6 or 7 years. MOOYAH in Old Tappan. I'll put the name up on the screen here for you.
Turn left.
Thank you. This place is fantastic. Riding along here past the golf course in Hallworth. It's going to be beautiful today. I have the helmet open now, but I think I dialed in the little bit of wind noise, or I should say dialed out the little bit of wind noise
Turn left on Valley Road.
I was getting. I don't know if everybody's going to get this reference, but Brooke Shields used to live around here in one of these houses. So did my grandparents. My grandfather's brother lived back here too, and they have all since passed away. Hallworth is a very nice town. That Les Baru is making me nervous. I know you don't usually see it, but Bergen County has some great riding in itself. You just gotta get up around here. Through Ordell, Emerson, Hallworth, Old Tappan. And you're like a stone's throw away from Orangeburg. First day ride without my knee braces. I have fat pad impingement, it's called. I'm regretting it already. You might want to get yourself checked. It's going to be in the 70s today, and the 70s both days. Next weekend, sun out, and I know where I'm going because I'm getting up early to go there. And it was recommended to me, thank you friend, the Keyport Fishery. I'll put the address up on the screen here. I saw the inside of that place and I was like, oh, hell, I have to go. I think Moby's is open too. I'll definitely be going back to Moby's, man. What a friggin' cool place. I think we're on Knickerbocker now. What are those, Carolina Pines here? What the heck? Wow. Don't mirror much, do you, jerk off? Oh, yeah. Ooh, what the hell is this place? Stern and Bow. Here on the list. Yeah, so it's funny, right? All my videos, I keep past two, I'm bitching about getting stuck behind cars going slow. And, sure as hell, 5 minutes into the trip, dude pulls in front of me. It's going 30 in a 40 and then 20 in the 25. I'm like, oh, you can't make this up. You really can't. I didn't know there's a consignment shop here. The more you know. I believe this is part of the reservoir. Yep. Let's see it on the right here. Behold, Spandex Spartan. Your journey awaits. You just need to pedal and wiggle faster, friend. Wiggle your little tushy like it's never been wiggled before. Oh, look at this classic car. How cool is that?
Approaching the railroad crossing.
Thank you. Thank you, miss. Oh, what the heck is going on today? Friggin' Sunday drivers. And it's Mother's Day. If there's any mothers watching my channel, appreciate you. Man, I tell you, if I was a woman, no man would come near me. Oh no, no baby's going in there. That has got to be friggin' insane. I have enough mental issues as a guy. I really couldn't do it. I think heading back, I'm gonna head towards 9W, get a rip in on the 9W. Oh, look at that little house. It's probably a studio for rent, $2,000 a month. No utilities included.
Turn left on Blanche Avenue.
Blanche Avenue. Remember Blanche? Golden Girls. Oh, what a show. I actually have a Golden Girls sun visor for my windshield. That's right. In our continuing series brought to you by Time Life Books and the Gears of Snore channel. Cars going under the speed limit.
Turn right on Phillips Drive. Then turn right on Phillips Road.
Available in paperback and hardcover. Ah, the fake out. Did I go the right way?
Turn right on Pearl Court. Then turn left on Howard Drive.
I think I made a boo-boo.
Turn left on Howard Drive.
Holy crap, would you look at that house.
In a quarter of a mile.
Oh, I did not make a boo-boo. I'm going the right way for a change. If you like my videos, if you give it a thumbs up or leave a comment, I appreciate it. Just giving them the business. Monday, cars had ashtrays. Son of a bitch. And we're here, friends. MOOYAH, burgers, fries, and shakes.
You've arrived at your destination.
And Benjamin Moore for all of your paint needs. Right, so I thought MOOYAH was going to make a liar out of me. They were just running a little late. Man, I gotta tell you, that place is great. Friggin' good burger, awesome fries. Their shakes are awesome. I don't have the stomach for a shake and cheeseburger and fries. But yeah, if you're up here, North Vale, Old Tappan, you should definitely check out MOOYAH. It's a fantastic spot, reasonably priced. You can sit outside. Everybody that worked there was cool as hell. I'll give it a thumbs up. If you made it this far, friends, thank you for watching. Drop my videos 3 p.m. Wednesday and Friday. Hope you'll be back next week.